Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ikhwanul Mustafa. I am a student from the University of Muhammadiyah Purwokerto, and today I am going to give a presentation about local wisdom based values education in social studies learning in elementary school in effort implementation of character education. The presentation will be in 5 parts. First, I'm going to talk about introduction. Second, I'm going to talk about literature review. Third, I'm going to talk about research methods. Fourth, I'm going to talk about result and discussion. And fifth, I'm going to talk about conclusion. Okay, first, I'd like to talk about introduction. Character education is currently mandatory at all levels of education, especially at the basic education level, because it is the most important foundation for the growth and development of Indonesia's young generation. However, the reality is not as it seems from the socio-cultural situation of today's society. Some activities in education that are carried out as an effort to form qualified human beings in science, technology, and religion are often misused, causing damage to moral values. Even worse, most of the perpetrators of the destruction of ethical values are students. So it is necessary to form quality human resource from an early age by instilling character education. Among them, taught social studies learning in elementary school, taught local wisdom based value education. Okay, now I'd like to move on to literature review. Social studies learning introduces students to concepts related to life, society, and the environment. The themes studied or learned in social studies learning are phenomena that occur in society, both past, present, and future trends, so that local wisdom-based value education can be applied in social studies learning, because the material is very complex and in accordance with community life. Value-based learning of local wisdom or local culture means applying the principles of nationality in the development of the nation's generation, in the sense that the nation character is formed through character education. Character can be viewed as human behavior. Values relate to God Almighty, self, fellow human beings, the environment. Next, research method. The research method applied in this research in descriptive qualitative method, which mean that the result of the research are analyzed in the form of a detailed description of a phenomenon. This research was chosen because it fit the characteristic of qualitative research and provides opportunity in an effort to provide qualitative understanding and explanation of a phenomenon in a deep and holistic manner. Next, results and discussion. Basically, local wisdom in social studies learning is how applied learning can provide understanding and competence of children related to ecological intelligence in the learning process. Some examples of the utilization of local wisdom values as a basis for character education are as follows. 1. For example, in the environment around the school, there are culture, tradition, or philosophy of the foundation of the value of life. Alon-alon asal Klokon, Central Java, and rawe-rawe rantas Malang-Malang Putung, S Java. Then in learning, teachers must internalize the value of local wisdom as a strength in educating the character of students. 2. Hold local culture introduction activities whose material is related to the local social and cultural environment. Effort to realize the implementation of local wisdom-based character education in social studies learning are carried out by all stakeholders who are expected to contribute to each other by arranging activities that aim to make the material in social studies learning easier to understand. Materials in social studies learning that can be developed by teacher to be used as local wisdom-based learning are important even in the family, ethnic diversity, buying and selling activities, proclamation event, and natural event in Indonesia. With this effort, teachers have linked learning with students' real life experiences so that they can feel directly, tell experiences, and reveal some things they have experienced. Lastly, I'd like to talk about conclusion. The importance of local wisdom-based character education in social studies learning is an effort to create the next generation that has exemplary moral values. Character education strategies and implementation can be implemented toward the development of local wisdom-based learning materials, contextualized learning. The implementation of character education has a psychological impacts in the form of developing students' personalities toward increasing experience. And that is the conclusion of today's presentation. I hope this is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you.